perfumes under 1,000 rupees which are worth buying, otherwise you'll regret it. So keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya. How are you all? Well guys, I know I have been MIA and मैंने कोई post नहीं की YouTube पे videos because I have been facing some problem with my laptop. Now as everything has been resolved, so I thought let's get back to the work, okay? So here I am and I'm gonna show you all my monthly favorites from February and March because अब तो compensate करना तो है ही है. So here I am with all the shopping, all the things I bought or maybe you can say collected. Of course मेरा काम ही यही है लॉकडाउन में चीजें बाय करते रहना and you know use all the things जब मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना होता है and I haven't got a chance to go out somewhere except the fact I went to Pune and all. So yes, so here I'm gonna show you क्या क्या मैंने खरीदा है. Let's get going. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with one of my favorite thing which is absolutely a footwear. I love footwear, of course I love everything but uske alawa bhi. So I went to Rajouri, I think beginning of the month or maybe last month. So I ended up buying this. Actually I love this color. I don't have this color. This is a mint green I believe, and these are so trendy. आपको हर जगह मिलेंगे. Even influencers and YouTubers and a lot of people are buying the same thing. And I got this and I'm so in love with it. And these are so comfortable. मतलब लगता ही नहीं है कि आपने कुछ पहना हुआ है, you know. And the fur, I love fur. And the glitter, if you know, if you have watched my previous videos, आपको पता ही होगा कि glitter and fur मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So I ended up buying this and I wore it in Pune, and this is for the very first time. इसके तो पता नहीं चलता कि क्या पहनो, but yes, you can go with the white and black and of course mint color में आप ये पहन सकते हो. So I got it from Scale Up. Move on to the next pair. This pair, oh, these are so comfy and I really loved it. I got it on sale for I think 700 rupees if I believe something. Yeah, I got this from Shoesly. Yeah, they were having a sale, so I bought it. So comfy, and black is a go-to thing. So the next pair is this one. I really love these kind of heels जो आजकल चल रही हैं, especially the white one. I don't have a white one. It's been quite a long time कि मेरे पास white one कोई था ही नहीं. So I ended up buying this online and it's from SSS Street Style Store. Yes, and गंदा हो गया because I wore it yesterday only जब बाहर गई थी घूमने. Okay, so I love these strappy things, you know. तो बहुत comfortable. The best thing, it's very comfortable. मतलब मुझे लगता ही नहीं है. I think मुझे अब आदत नहीं रही है heels पहनने की, but these are so comfy. Okay, so the next pair from SSS is this one. Okay, I don't have any powder blue color wala heels, so I ended up buying this too, and these are so amazing. And chota sa tiny sa heels. I think it's called kitten heels, I believe. I'm not sure about it, but yes, the powder blue are so white. So I also bought this from SSS, and the last but not the least is this one, and I loved it too. Although I love everything, doesn't matter. Okay, because ये packing में है, I'm opening that. Okay, so I got this one. It's a leopard print color ka, and I really love this. Again, this is a store, and although the one good thing is that they are so affordable, but also the con is ki it takes forever, like Brazilian years to arrive. बहुत time लगाते हैं, बहुत time. So you have to be like, you know, order it and forget it. आ गया तो you know you got a lottery. Product I got is these things. Actually, these are from Dr. Sheth's, and I have posted on Instagram as well about this. This is one of the best Indian product, and it's cruelty free. Got this from Instagram, and ये इसलिए मैंने buy किया so that you know I can work on my pimples and acne marks and all. So this is for that, and especially the best thing is it has a haldi as well, and it's a sleeping mask. So I got this along with this Dr. Sheth's ka neem and BHA spot clarifying serum. and it has one of the best serum I have ever used. I mean it's very consistent, plus लगा के ना मेरे मार्क्स में मुझे फर्क पड़ा. It's been I think 2 or 3 weeks I have been using it, but on and off चल रहा है. So I would definitely recommend it because influencers are also using it and they are so in love with it. And one of the best brand, and the other brand I love is Want, but मैंने Want का भी कोई product नहीं मंगाया, but yes, let's see what happens. So I got lipsticks now, and I got these from the Rajouri Market, and the first one I got is Sugar Pop. If you can see, Sugar Pop, and it's in shade 06. Yes, and I really love this one. इसके swatches मैं mention कर दूँगी. And the next one I got is Kryolan का liquid matte. And the color is so amazing. So these are the colors I got. This one is nude, and this one is light pinkish type, and this one is little dark but rose type color. So this is what I got, and I love the colors. Love the guys. This I got from the Rajouri Market. So yeah. Okay, so move on to the perfume section. I remember on the end of the February month, I've been to Zara for shopping and all. So I ended up buying this one. Oh my god, this perfume is so amazing. Plus the packaging. See, the first one, it is very good looking. Plus it's a lavender color. So this is, you won't get to see कि ये क्या है. But this is the first perfume जिसकी cap ही नहीं है. But yes, Zara है. So, but the perfume, oh my god, it's amazing. It's Lily Pad Zara ka. Well, I have been using a different one, but I ended up buying this one, and this is so amazing. And my sister got the other one, and amazing. But Zara ke perfumes are so and so amazing. So this is one of the amazing, I think. I am so in love with perfumes because I get bored. एक 3-4 दिन अगर मैंने same perfume लगाया, I'll be bored. So I end up buying, good perfumes. Especially I want to invest in perfumes, brand वाले जिसमें बहुत अच्छी खुशबू हो and last long, right? So I ended up buying this one, Victoria's Secret का. It's Fruit Crush, and it tastes like fruity. Yeah, it's so amazing. प्लस माइल्ड रहती है इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, बट इट लास्ट लॉन्ग. मतलब 2 दिन नहीं भी नहाओगे तो भी चलेगा. यू आर गुड टू गो. सो दिस इज वन आई गॉट फ्रॉम Rajouri. Well, if you guys are following me on Instagram, I have shared the video जिसमें मैं बताया था buy 2 get 2 का ऑप्शन चल रहा था, ऑफर चल रहा था, buy 2 get 2 from Myntra for Bath and Body Works. So I think I would say कि I got lucky कि मैंने उसी टाइम पे Myntra चेक किया, and I was like shocked जब Bath and Body Works का buy 2 get 2 ऑफर चल रहा था. I quickly ended up ordering things, and I got 2 things for myself and 2 things for my sister. So this is what I got. I'm gonna show you what I actually got. If you want to see what I actually got for but I can show you. I'll be showing the video what I got from Bath and Body Works. So what I'm gonna show you right here is this one. This is a body mist. Okay, let's talk about body mist. I think the number 1 Bath and Body Works जो brand में आता है, second में Zara, and third में Victoria's Secret. For me, I'm saying, maybe आप लोगों के लिए ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, but for me, I would say Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna score at 1, and on the first on top, and the second one for Zara, because I have been investing on Zara का भी products में, and the third one is Victoria's Secret. Okay, Victoria's Secret का मैं seduction वाला भी use करी थी, but now I think I'm gonna stick to Bath and Body Works, and it is so amazing. There are only 5 and 6 products जो amazing हैं, और मैं आपको बता दूंगी Bath and Body Mist के कौन से हैं. I ended up buying Vanilla Sugar. This is what it looks like. Okay, and the best है ये भी. And मेरी sister ने लिया था Into the Night, and she was already using 1000 Wishes. Okay, so there are 4 or 5 जो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. First है Vanilla Sugar. Amazing, मतलब वनीला का टेस्ट आता है. 1000 Wishes भी amazing. Into the Night भी बहुत सारा सेडक्टिव है वो. और एक और था वो Cherry Blossom and Japanese. Okay, so these are the 5 which are so in trendy and famous. और well कहते हैं ना, अगर आपको बिल्कुल नहीं नहाने वाला पैक, तो आपको कॉम्बो पे जाओ. Means there is a combo where you get shower gel, नहाने के लिए shower gel, you get body mist, you get body lotion, and what else? And the body, okay, I think yeah, there are three things. Yes, shower gel, body mist, and body lotion. So I ended up buying the same one, and I ended up buying the same vanilla sugar so that it lasts long. Body mist लगा लिया onto these points, and then you use this body lotion on your body now, and you are perfectly good to go. I personally recommend it because मैंने खुद use करा है, and आप जितनी मर्जी बार हाथ धो लो इसकी fragrance नहीं जाती, and my sister used it. मैंने एक बार भी use नहीं करा. Oh, feeling so lucky, so blessed that yes, thank God मैंने सही time पे सही किया. So I ended up buying 4 things for 3,000 rupees, and I was so lucky. You know, a girl knows how to do a budget shopping. Yeah. Oh, I don't buy any jewelry as of now. I didn't buy anything as it's my sister got engaged, so I ended up buying this choker from Myntra. I wore it only once. I'm not planning to wear it anymore. I don't know why. Maybe let's see. So this is what I got. This is heavy. Kinda heavy. मतलब पूरा आपका ना neck को cover कर देता है. So I like that. This is what I got for I think 800-900 rupees or something. Next buy. It's from electronics, and मेरा headphones stopped working, so I ended up buying this Petron ka. I don't want to invest, you know, because the last one I got for 5,000 rupees tag ka, and I don't want to spend any more penny ki after 1 year it stopped working. So मैंने ये खरीद लिया, and it's from Petron ka, and it was for 800 rupees. Although इसकी 1,000 rupees की deal है, but I got it and a discount again. The girl got it now. So this is what it looks like. It's AirPods, not earbuds, so I'm comfy. It has a 1 year of warranty as well. So yeah, it's pretty much working good. I wouldn't say कि बहुत अच्छा है, but yes, okay buy है. If you don't want to spend, you know, more than 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, because I'm regretting buying something for 5,000 rupees right now. Thing is this one. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. This is not so big thing, but yes, this is actually a press on nails. If you guys know, it's been 5 years I have been, you know, getting my nail extensions done, and now already मेरे nails इतने बढ़ चुके हैं. If you can see this one वाला कि I can kill anyone from this nail. So yeah, I already have nails. I don't want to cut it. So for my sister's engagement, I actually ended up, you know, I was scrolling through Instagram and I got one store and I was so really loved, plus affordable. So I ended up ordering the nails, and this is actually press on nails, and I think that's so good, you know. Press on nails are so in. First of all, these are so reusable and affordable. So I'm gonna show you. I'll show you my picture which I got, but you can see this is one I got. Oh, and the best thing is I got so many things like buffer, glue tabs, even glue. So whenever I want to, you know, apply it, I'll apply it and I'll be good to go for the next 15-17 days, because glue stays for 17 days. Even though last time भी कुछ ज़्यादा ही देर टिक गई थी, until unless मैंने खुद से remove नहीं किए. So I think this was the best, and I have ordered 2 more. So yeah, मम्मा को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए. Anyways, I have ordered 2 more because I want to have collections of nails, so that कहीं पे जाना चाहो, oh, that suits with my dress. So dinjak, nails लगा लिए and you're good to go. So I think that's all from my side. I have covered everything. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you all. Sayonara.